Okay, I'm going to do my review on my replacement hopper for my Fellows ODE 2. This was the original hopper that was on here, and every time I dump my beans in with this and use the Ross droplet technique, you know, the tray beans here, the beans would always want to stick, and I'd have to go get a little poker, get them in there. It was just aggravating. So I went to ArdenDesignsStudio, and they got me a direct feed and bolts pack came with it. Because here, I'll show you. Let me give you a little. Okay, now that I'm a little closer, it retains the original lid. That's a little bit of the guide. And it came with new bolt packages, because the original one, you can see it had to be shorter. They came with the right bolts, which was very nice. It is a separate bolt in. And then I'm going to send you out here how it looks to go a straight feed. And to go right in there. Then I'm going to give a demonstration. Just to give you a little reference. Some might call it clutter, but I can stand right here and I don't have to move. This is the purified water for my kettle. Then I do my special coffee association, my espresso. I mix that right, but once I stand right here, I don't have to move. For pour overs to my espressos to my lattes, everything's done right here in this station and made right here, which makes it easier for me. But back to this, we're going to go to the ease. I'm going to do some coffee. I'm just going to get a pre-filler ready. It's not really be about making coffee. I'm going to rinse my filter out and heat up everything. Don't really care about it. It's hard to work with a filter in a way. Alright, let's see. Put down there and zero that out. I'm going to use my September Colombian thermal pink bourbon. Again, it's not about making coffee. Okay, so you're going to see I'm going to use the Ross droplet technique. I'll do 3 sprays. 1, 2, 3. I'll let them sit there a second. Of course. Just to show you everything in there clean. Put the lid on. Don't really care for that lid. Aggravating to get back on. Slide it back in place. Whoop. Take this off. Working around a camera mount is a little bit difficult. Since they're wet, I'll shake them around. Go ahead and start her up. Put it on, do a little bit of bean popping, do a couple of little clicks, then we'll look in there. Looks pretty clean to me. I really like it. It's clean look. Keeps everything looking original, being black. I like it. Great improvement from the other thing that's in the way. Well, and you see one bean stuck, so I'm going to just fire that back up again. And it's done. Only thing I did was just move that over here a little bit. See that? Take that off. Tap it down. I forgot I gotta go empty the water. I'll hit that back on there. I need to write that number down, because I will take a TWS reading everything. And again, this isn't about how I make coffee. You all know how I make it. Let's make all the mistakes here. It. I'll take that, just bump it down a little bit. Uh, 19.1 like we're supposed to be. And do a little blue. Let's do a bloom. Where the hell did the bug come from? Alright, 30 seconds in. Another center pour. Alright, we're going to do one more pour. Or two more pours, really. It's hard to do if this camera mount in the way. Again, I really do like a hopper. It's a nice upgrade. I don't have to worry about taking a thing, getting all those wet beans in. It's great. Well worth the money. It takes about 30 seconds a minute to put on. Alright, get ready to do the final pour. Another spiral. I'll post a TDS if you guys all want to shit and giggles know. There we will, let it sit. Okay, you can see it's about finishing up. Alright, let's hit stop right there. Then we'll go do a TDS. I just want you to know the only thing I did was just relocate over here. Get a TDS. I'm going to get a sample. And then we'll do a TDS. TDS meter set up. That's the coffee I'm using. The pink bourbon. Oops. I used 19.1. And I'm actually on the 6.0 on the Fellows. I was at 19.1. This is the number I needed. Make sure this is the number I needed for the. That I wrote down. Now 12.7. Oops. Alright. And then temperature I did 204 of the Fellows kettle, stag kettle. And you can't really see this, but I'm going to go ahead and take a sample, pour it in. I'm pouring it in, getting it level. Their little spoon they give information, it fills it right up perfect. So I'm going to go to brew, TDS, then hit test. Yeah, Kiki. Yeah, Kiki. It's a little higher. Maybe I should have went to 6.2. This is a fresh bag. Even though its temperature's compensating, it's still cooling down. I have it take 5 samples, and I'll do one more test. Well, then it should be stable. Yeah, see, it's still cooling down. Let's just do one more. Okay, it looks like it's about 1.39. It's going to stay. Kiki. Yes. Then 139 will go in here. Then you hit extraction. And that was 302 for total out. Hit done. Ooh, it's on a little bit high side. Never had that happen before. I hit done. 19.1, 302. The ratio is 15.8. Normally it's in the window. It's still in the window. By standards, by going pro. 1.15 to 1.59 and 22 is still in the window. I appreciate you watching. Show you here everything is. There's the reading value I had. Spoon. The one you take a sample with. And everything is always cleaned with alcohol for true readings. As I stated, I moved some stuff around. I do love that upgrade. Nice and easy. It's fast. Fast grinder. Yeah, you saw what you put in is what you get out. Great upgrade. I recommend it.